In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Booking.com link. Whether you're a host promoting a place or a guest sharing your reservation details, I'll walk you through the clearest ways to send the right link safely and quickly. First, if you're a property owner and want to share your listing so guests can view and book, head to the Booking.com Extranet at admin.booking.com and sign in. Open your property dashboard, then go to the section for your property or listing. Look for the option that says View on Booking.com. That opens the public page exactly as guests will see it. Use the copy link option there, then paste it into a message, an email, or your preferred social channel. This is a public link, so anyone you send it to can view photos, availability, and rates, but it does not give them access to your extranet. If you manage more than one property, double-check you've selected the correct listing, and consider pasting the link into a private or incognito window to confirm it opens without requiring your account. If you're a guest and want to share your booking details, open the Booking.com app or website and go to Trips or My Bookings. Choose the reservation you want to share, then open View All Actions. Select Share Booking Confirmation and pick how you want to send it, such as email or by copying the link. This shares the reservation information you see on your confirmation page, like dates and hotel details, but it doesn't grant anyone control over the booking. Share this only with people you trust, and remember that booking links can be more sensitive than a public listing. If someone can't access the link, try sending it again directly from the app or website, which ensures the correct format. There's also a quick method many people use right in the browser. Open Booking.com in Chrome, navigate to your public property page or your booking page, and copy the URL from the address bar. Paste it wherever you need. For public listing pages, this is usually reliable. For reservations, it's safer to use the built-in Share Booking Confirmation option, since browser URLs can include session information that others can't open. A few final tips to keep things secure. Property listing links are public and fine to share broadly. Booking confirmation links are private and should be shared carefully. And never send extranet login pages or any sign-in links. If you accidentally copy an admin page, delete it and resend the public listing link instead.